When did you celebrate with family, friends, or give yourself a break? It's essential to make time for family and friends and prioritize these relationships. No matter how busy life gets, we should always remember to take a break and spend time with the people who matter most to us. This can have a positive impact on our mental health and overall happiness. And remember, every day is a holiday. Hello, I am Victor. Today we're going to talk about the holidays on March 23rd. National Puppy Day. National Puppy Day is a special day celebrated annually on March 23rd to celebrate the joy that puppies bring into our lives and to raise awareness about the importance of adopting puppies from shelters and rescues. It was founded in 2006 by animal behaviorist and celebrity pet lifestyle expert Colleen Page, who also created other animal-related holidays such as National Cat Day and National Dog Day. On National Puppy Day, people are encouraged to adopt a puppy from a shelter or rescue, donate money or supplies to a local animal shelter, volunteer at a shelter, or simply spend some extra time with their own furry friends. It's a great opportunity to celebrate the love and companionship that puppies bring into our lives, and to support the organizations that work to rescue and care for homeless and abandoned animals. Near Miss Day. Near Miss Day is a day that commemorates the close call of a large asteroid with Earth on March 23, 1989. The asteroid, which was approximately the size of a mountain, missed Earth by a distance of only 500,000 miles. This event serves as a reminder of the potential dangers of near-Earth objects and the importance of continued efforts to monitor and potentially deflect them. Near Miss Day is observed annually to raise awareness about the need for increased research and preparedness in the field of asteroid detection and mitigation. World Meteorological Day. World Meteorological Day is celebrated annually on March 23rd to commemorate the establishment of the World Meteorological Organization, WMO, on this day in 1950. The WMO is a specialized agency of the United Nations that focuses on weather, climate, and water-related issues. The purpose of World Meteorological Day is to raise awareness of the importance of meteorology and its role in our daily lives. It also provides an opportunity for meteorological organizations and professionals around the world to showcase their work and share their knowledge and expertise. Each year, the WMO selects a theme for World Meteorological Day. The theme for 2023 is Weather Ready, Climate Smart. This theme highlights the need for increased resilience in the face of extreme weather events, which are becoming more frequent and intense due to climate change. World Meteorological Day is celebrated through various activities, including seminars, workshops, and public events. It is an important day for promoting international cooperation and collaboration in the field of meteorology, and for raising awareness of the impact of weather and climate on our lives. Cuddly Kitten Day. Cuddly Kitten Day is an unofficial holiday that is celebrated on March 23rd every year. As the name suggests, the day is all about celebrating the cuteness and cuddliness of kittens. Kittens are beloved pets around the world, and Cuddly Kitten Day is a day for cat lovers to shower their furry friends with love and affection. People celebrate the day by cuddling, playing with, and spoiling their kittens with treats and toys. In addition to celebrating our own furry friends, Cuddly Kitten Day is also a great opportunity to raise awareness about the importance of adopting and rescuing kittens. Animal shelters are often overflowing with kittens in need of loving homes, and adopting a kitten is a wonderful way to give them a second chance at life. On Cuddly Kitten Day, people can also support animal welfare organizations that work to promote the welfare and well-being of cats and kittens. This can be done by making a donation, volunteering at a local shelter, or simply spreading the word about the importance of adopting and caring for kittens. Chips and Dip Day. Chips and Dip Day is celebrated on March 23rd every year. As the name suggests, it is a day dedicated to the beloved combination of chips and dip, which is a popular snack enjoyed by people of all ages and backgrounds. On Chips and Dip Day, people celebrate by indulging in their favorite types of chips and dips. This could include classic combinations like tortilla chips and salsa, potato chips and French onion dip, or even more unique pairings like pita chips and hummus or veggie chips and guacamole. Some people may choose to make their own homemade dips, experimenting with different ingredients and flavor combinations. Others may opt to try new and exotic chips and dips from around the world. Chips and Dip Day is a fun and lighthearted holiday that encourages people to take a break from their busy lives and enjoy a tasty snack with friends and family. Whether you prefer sweet or savory, spicy or mild, there is a chip and dip combination out there for everyone to enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to spend more time with friends and family.